Here we have some alphabets, which we have to put in the correct boxes. Now let's start. See how many alphabets we have in here. Now let's start. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. And this is the last one. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.